Alright, what's going on, guys? We just made it to my buddy's shop. So he's all prepped already. Interior's been taken out. So, yeah, made it here. About to load her up, clean out the shop real quick. Koncept Kustomz. Lisa Rodriguez. Really good friend. Gets down on paint. Check out her shop.
What's going on, bro? Licio, Koncept Kustomz. Right here, 4117 East Drive. We work on cars all day, custom cars, whatever you need. We do fender benders, that we fix it all, insurance work. We got a C10 we're restoring back there, doing the whole thing, and a bug all down the bare metal, you know, do it all. Just let me know.
Alright, thank you. Let's get it done, man.
Heck yeah.
SEMA build, let's do this, man. Alright, we want to give a big thank you to Colorbond Paint for sending us this paint we're going to be painting the interior with. So let's go and unbox this and check it out. Awesome, look at this. Nice. We're going to be painting the trim black with these ones right here. The adhesion promoter. Wow. Even for the interior, okay. Thank you, Colorbond. All of these parts, we're going to get down, open it up, everything. Check it out, man. Alright, thank you Colorbond Paint for this amazing paint. We are going to get down on the interior. Koncept Kustomz, Lucio Rodriguez, Steve Sam, be on the build. Let's get it. Okay, right here we have our interior pieces out of the car. We are going to prep them and get them ready for paint. We also have our door panels here as well. So we're gonna get those ready for paint. All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. Follow us on this journey, #RoadToSEMA. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.